Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by securing gear and a safe approach. Equip strong armor and a ranged weapon. Bring water-breathing and healing potions. Once loaded, approach from high ground to scout and mark the city perimeter with torches or wool. Make a 2-block-wide, reinforced tunnel or stair to enter without falling and place a bed or respawn anchor nearby. Make sure to close the entry behind you to prevent mobs from flanking you as you move into the first chamber. Once inside, methodically clear one room at a time so you don't trigger skulk catalysts across the whole city. You should prioritize killing hostile mobs at range, then sweep with a sword, and open chests carefully. Make sure to use wool blocks or carpets to block vibration-sensitive sensors, and lay down soul torches or other light sources to reduce spawning. If you plan to mine diagonally away from sensors, and seal off tunnels as you go so you can retreat and reorganize inventory without losing progress. You finish by consolidating loot and securing a clean exit. Smelt or secure valuables in nearby chests, label them, and use beacons or banners to mark your escape route. Before leaving, do a final sweep for hidden chests and disable any redstone or skulk triggers that could follow you. If skulk spreads or sensors react, immediately retreat to your secured tunnel, place wool to isolate vibrations, and cut any redstone connections. This prevents reactivation, so you can return safely and complete the raid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.